Merge interval coding challenge. So here we have an array of tuples, and this represent our intervals, or it could be also worded like this could be a meeting or a class, right? And we need to construct a function that would merge any overlapping intervals. So our output would be array of tuples. So we would get 1, 2, and the next one, so these guys overlap, so we have 2 and 7. Okay. Note that the first, let's say I have a look at this tuple. The first element is its start, and the second element is end of the interval, right? So you can think about it as a timestamp, right? Cool. So we can take a moment and try to figure out how you would solve this, and then we can do it together. Cool, let's do this. You could think about these intervals just like if we draw a line, so 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We see that the first interval goes from here to here, second one goes from 2 to 4, and the last one goes from time 3 to time 7, right? Cool. And what we see is that we have the first interval, it's not overlapping, right? But the next two overlap here, right? And that's why we can merge them. The next thing, like if this array is not sorted by the starting interval, we need to sort it first. But let's say that our array is sorted. We need to just track and go through each of the tuple and just track the start and end and do all that fun jazz. I think it would be more visible if we just implement the code and see what's going on, right? And let's do this. So we have an array of tuples. We will be printing our merge. Something like so, right? Cool. First, we need to have so let's have a results variable, which will have an array, and the current, which can be none at the beginning, right? For let's have start end in A, and if current is none, then we need to just set the current to the current start and end, right? So let's have a dictionary or hash. Like this, and we can continue. Okay, so now the fun part. So let's say we went over the first tuple and now we're at the second tuple. So we need to check, okay, cool. Is this starting position, so start, is later than or equal to current's end, like this? If it is, we can just push or append a tuple, right? So current dot start and current dot so end, and we need to of course set a current start like this. Cool. If not, then we need to update current dot end with max between current dot end and end like this. After we're done, we need to still append our current start and end like this and return results, right? If we run this code, we get 1, 2, and 2, 7, which is what we expect. And if we change this to 3, we should get both 3 values, which we do. So let's just for fun do another tuple, so 5 and 13, and we should get back to tuples 1, 2, and then 2 and 13, which we do. Yeah, that's about it.